Page 25, the snake dance. They're suggesting you memorize the piece. I'll leave that up to you. They have waved line, the upper staff is wavy, I guess, to act like a snake, look like, I don't know. I'm not into the wavy stuff. I would have just assumed they left them straight. I'm just an old goat who likes to do an old-fashioned stuff. This is a very famous melody, written for orchestra, but we can use it here too. The melody is in the right hand. You're going to bring out the melody. This piece is in the key of D minor. We haven't talked about major and minor stuff yet. The only stuff we've had so far was C major, G major because it had one sharp, and F major because it had one flat. And without going into any details, we'll just take my word for it. This is in the key of D minor. A minor key sounds different than a major key. This is, just pick another one. This is A major. Well, this is A minor. See, they sound different. A minor key sounds, they're saying mysterious, sad, spooky, whatever they want to call it. To me, a minor key is a sadder type thing, but it's very pretty. A lot of really nice music is written in minor. It has a pickup measure. See, the first measure here only has 2 beats, but it's in 4/4 time. Well, if you look at the last measure, it's a half note. That's 2 beats. So put them together and it's 4 beats. It's all good, you know. But when I count us in, I'm only going to give us 2 beats. It'll be like, ready, go. Like so. The right hand, as I said before, has a melody. It gets all the work. All the left hand is doing is playing these 2 notes. The D and the A. It's the only notes it plays in this whole piece. So this is a good one to make sure you can play this without looking at the keyboard. Your hand's not moving around at all. You're right there in your 5-finger position based on D. The notes, D's the bottom note. I don't have a lot to say about this piece, so I want to add one minor little detail that I've been doing all along and I never explained it to you. I'll explain it now. When we do the play together thing, when we get to the end of a piece, I say off. Off means you lift up your hands off the keyboard and the sound stops. The reason I do that is because a lot of people will cut the last note short. It's important to hold the last note out its full value. For instance, in this piece, the last measure down there, it's a half note. Half note gets 2 counts. So you would lift the half note up on beat 3, if there were a beat 3. Since this is only two beats in that measure because of the pickup measure, then there is no beat 3. So we can't go 1, 2, 3 because there's no 3. I say off. Instead of when there's not a number, I just say off, and that means lift your hands up. So the last measure is 1, 2, off. And that the way we hold the notes down for 2 complete beats. Let's try it out slowly and see what happens. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4.